under 9C. Here we can represent a working model of drip irrigation system process. Then water pass through this pipe and go to the tank. The water is turned. Droplets are going to down here directly to the water point. So the water is say conserved. Here we can represent a working model of drip irrigation system project. It involves system and it involves designing building construction of water delivery system that deliver water directly to the plant root zone, which minimize evaporation and runoff. This is achieved by the network of main line, sub-main line, lateral line, which deliver water directly to the plant soil of each plant. The benefit of the drip irrigation system project is to save water, reduce weed growth. Thanks. Good morning everyone. We are here to present the tidal energy power plant project. This project features the tidal energy that uses tides to create energy. So further moving towards what is tides. Tides are the regular rise and fall of the sea ocean's water level twice a day. It occurs due to the gravitational force of moon and earth. Now looking at the project as well as the presentation. So it is the preliminary discussion that we have already done. Now moving towards the global share of the tidal energy in it. So tidal energy only provides less than 1% in the global energy production. We need to improve the percentage to get something better in place of the fossil fuel energy resources. The project shows the turbines which moves as the water level rises. Now this energy can be used to create energy firstly going into the generator and then into the road where it can power street lights as well as provide electricity for the electrical cars running on the road. This project is made by Akshita Mishra along with my friends Ayush Kumar, Soham Kumar and Prem Kumar. Thank you. Good morning everyone. This is from 9B. Today I am here to present teamwork of my group, state capital working model of India. This is a science-based educational project which connects development and electrical science together. The main purpose of it is to show the capital of the state. Every state has a separate switch. When we turn on switch of a state right at the top, then all goes at where its capital is written. When turn on the switch of Karnataka, the bulb flows at Bengaluru, and in the same row, area of the state and total number of district in the state. There is also information about Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha seats of the state. And in the same row, they have written common languages of the state. As I mentioned above that, information about the state, which is very necessary for any competitive exams nowadays. It is also important for every student because I had seen that no most of the students doesn't know even capital of a state. So when a student or a person will give when a person will give consistency of 5 to 7 minutes per day, then we all master in information about the state. Also, it can be used by our teachers so that teachers to teach us about some basic and educational information about the state. Thank you. Good morning. Today I am Shekhar. Good morning. Today I am Shekhar and my friend Mayank. So disclose my project is a volcanic eruption. The aim of my project is a volcanic erupt. So they take places. Determine the project is there are two types of volcanic eruption: active and passive. Determine the volcanic of an active volcano. So my friend Mayank will be continue.
We all know that a volcanic eruption occurs when hot materials from Earth's interior are thrown out of a volcano. Eruptions are came from side branches or from the top of the volcano. Several more types of volcanic eruptions and hot lava have been described by volcanologists. Some volcanoes may show only one type of eruptions during a period of activity. Thank you for your valuable time, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Mukund Bhargava from Standard 7A. This is my friend Arnav, and we have made a project on the uses of deserts. We all know that deserts have many useful things such as minerals, oils, and it also helps in urban development. But we can use deserts in one more way. That deserts are very hot, and if we use the solar energy from deserts using solar panel, it will be very helpful for the villages and towns near the deserts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Kushi Kumari of Standard 8A from Don Bosco School. Today we are going to represent the phases of moon. The aim of my project is so that the phases of moon and why they occur. As we know, the phases of moon, why they occur. The moon does not produce their own light. They only reflect light from the sun and understanding the moon is illuminated from the earth, and understanding the moon phases are predicating tides and crucial times. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Simran, this is Shreya and Sambhavi. We are from class 8B of Don Bosco School. And today we are representing a working model of windmill. In this model we will get to know how do windmill work to convert wind energy into electrical energy. So now my friend Shreya will continue about the project. In this model we have windmill. It has blade DC motors and LED lights. When wind hit the turbine, it then starts to rotate, and due to this electricity energy is starts to produce at the transformer from where it is transmitted. As wind energy is clean and reduce carbon footprint. As India is moving toward a sustainable energy, this can be a valuable option. That's all. Thank you for your precious time.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vishakha. I am from class 8.
And I am Anshika from class 8B.
We are from Don Bosco School.
Today we have made this project on a topic of water purification and the guardians of Saurabh sir. First of all, I want you to know clearly what is purification is. Purification means cleaning something so it becomes safe to use, free from germs and bacteria. First, in our project we use 6 simple steps. Under this step, using these steps we turn dirty water into clean. So thank you for listening. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now we switch on the water, and in first cup we put some big stone which absorb the biggest dirt particle of the water and transfer it into second cup. In second cup we put some small stone which absorb most of the 50% of the dirt of the water and transfer it into third cup. In third cup we put some charcoal which is also known as coal, and it absorbs 40%. Which absorb 40% of the dirt of the water and transfer it into the fourth cup. In fourth cup we put some clean cotton. Which absorb all the 20% of the particle of the dirt particle of the water, and again it transfer it into the cotton which absorb all the dirty water, and the result which we get is the clean water. Thank you. So this is the water purification which we all together make.
Good morning everyone. I am Khushi with my friend Madhvi and Sugandha. I am here to explain this working model of dialysis working model. This model, when someone's kidney is not working due to some injury or infection, then doctor use this dialysis machine to clean body. When person's kidney is not working due to infection or some injury, then doctor use dialysis working model. Here from renal artery, person's blood goes into this dialyzer, which is made up of long tube of semi-permeable membrane. Here in this dialyzer, blood is filtered by semi-permeable membrane and then goes into the vein and flows into the blood through renal vein. Here the fresh dialysate goes into the dialyzer and used dialysate is removed from dialyzer.
Good morning everyone. I am Bhavya Priya from class 10th, and there is my some friends. We are prepare this working model of human excretory system, and the human excretory system main work is to purify our blood by removing unwanted waste. And the function, some parts of human excretory system is pair of kidney, pair of uterus, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. And there is a renal artery and renal vein. Kidney purify our blood by the help of nephrons. And the nephrons, after purifying the blood, nephrons give urine to the ureters, and ureters transport the urine to the urinary bladder, and the urinary bladder out from the urine out from urethra. And now we can work our working model. And this is blood, and आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमारा यूरिन बाहर आ चुका है, देखिए, और यहाँ यूरिन बाहर आ चुका है. थैंक यू.
बोलो ना.
खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। हाथ में फाइल मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। ये सोते भी है टेंशन, आगे रहने की है टेंशन, मेहनत इनको प्यारी है, एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है। ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है, हर काम को टाला करते हैं, ये सपने पाला करते हैं। ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं, ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने जाते हैं, ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं। ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं, बारिश की बूंदे पड़ते हैं, और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं। क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
Savere, savere, यारों से मिलने